Hi, welcome to Craft Time at the Houston Public Library. My name is Michelle. Today we're making paper cup dragons. This craft is a great activity for the Lunar New Year celebration, which is coming up. It's on February 12th, 2021. This craft is intended for ages 4 and up. For the supplies, you will need paper cups, red or blue preferably. If you don't have those on hand, a simple white styrofoam cup works just fine. 2 pairs of pom-poms, 2 googly eyes, tissue papers, red, yellow, and orange, a pair of scissors, and glue as well. I find liquid glue works better. If you don't have liquid glue, glue stick works just fine. Okay, let's get started. So we're going to take the bottom off of your paper cup. You can start by using the tip of your scissors, kind of gently poke it through. If you're having difficulty with this step, ask an adult to help you. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle as long as there's a big enough opening for you to blow air into. Next, we're going to grab your 2 pairs of pom-poms and we're going to glue them on the side of the cup to make eyes and nose. Starting with 2, we're going to glue them closer to the wider opening of the cup, so right about here. A generous amount of glue. You may need to hold your pom-poms for a couple of minutes so they will dry up a little bit. So these are your nose. Okay, we're gonna put that aside and let it dry. Grab your other 2 pom-poms and the googly eyes. So we're gonna glue the googly eyes onto your pom-pom. So put some glue on the back of your googly eye. Put it right on there and let that one dry for a minute. All right, these are your eyeballs. Okay, now we're gonna grab your cup. Your eyes can be further apart or they can be closer together. Depends on how you want your dragons to look. So we're just gonna glue these eyeballs right on here facing the wider opening. So we're gonna go ahead and put some glue on there. Now make sure your eyeball is facing the front. Put that right there. And put this one right here. Alright, they're mostly dry. Okay, so we're gonna put that aside. And we're gonna grab your tissue papers and we'll cut them into strips. And I find this easier if I fold them first. And just cut them like this. And they don't have to be perfect strips. A little bit irregularity actually looks more like fire. And then you can glue them on or tape them on, either way. We're gonna start by putting some glue onto your cup. And just put the strips over the glue. Okay, now your paper cup dragon is completed. And place the smaller opening to your mouth and blow air into it. It will look like your dragon is breathing out fire. Thank you for watching Craft Time at the Houston Public Library. I hope you have enjoyed this activity. We'll see you next time.